What can we say about the West Indies team that has not been said before? What adjectives can we use? What new emotions can we show? Anyway, before me say what me want to say, for the record, 2 test matches played, 2 innings defeat, 2 T20 internationals played, 2 embarrassing defeats. The West Indies were covered in 4 of the 5 international games on this New Zealand tour. And rain wash out the next one. This looked like if them played 25 test matches, it would be 25 innings defeat. That is how hopeless this West Indies team has become. And look, forget about who is the board president and who is the coach and who is the captain. Those are inconsequential, symbolic positions on a rapidly sinking ship. Where we reach with West Indies now is to pick out positives out of the quagmire of embarrassing ineptitude and unskilled incompetence. So we resort to celebrating carrying a game to day 4 or day 5. The odd batsman getting a half century is headline news. When a West Indies batsman scores a century, or when the team lose, there is a frenzy of joyous optimism. A bowler get 2 wickets and an appeal, and him impressive. And that's the West Indies cricket reach. And when people like me say we're done with them, people say me this and me that. But you hear me now? You see, me personally, me now lose no more sleep over this West Indies team till the next series starts.